Welcome again to this course. If you have not already watched my welcome video, please do. This week, we'll be learning about policies, supplies, and what you need to know for remote learning. You will be completing a remote drawing test that will not be graded. You will start to be introduced to perspective. So let's get started with an overview of perspective. Perspective. I will have you use a ruler on just a few exercises in the start in order to make sure you understand the process and the construction methods. The exactness is just meant to ensure your understanding. I will teach you to draw straight lines and ellipses by using your arm and not your wrist. When we draw our sketch, we typically do not use a ruler, and you do not want to become reliant on it. I will teach you to use strings as a way to check perspective. So these are strings that I use sometimes to teach different aspects of perspective. I'm going to be teaching you how to use string to represent eye level, cone of vision, ground line, and vanishing points, some formulas, and then how to guesstimate that same knowledge when you don't have strings or rulers available, and how to find those things when you need to use a reference photo. I will meet you where you're at. You will all come in with different amounts of perspective understanding. You will learn a strong understanding of perspective and what conditions you need for 1, 2, or 3-point perspective. Vocabulary and concepts that you will learn are eye level and horizon line, central vanishing point, station point, special vanishing points for 1-point perspective, vanishing points left and right for 2-point perspective, and cone of vision. You'll also learn about ground line and how to determine the location based on your eye level, scale and how to establish scale, conditions for sliding vanishing points, cube multiplication and cube division, symmetry, projections, units of measure that reflect scale, ellipse axis and perspective center of the ellipse, and the understanding of planes. So ground planes, picture planes, what does this all mean? Please don't be afraid of perspective. It is just a tool, and as soon as you learn it, it will just be something that helps you. So enjoy. This is in 1-point perspective. This is in 2-point perspective. This is in 1-point perspective. This is in 2-point perspective. This is in 1-point perspective. This is in 2-point perspective. This is in 2-point perspective. This is in 2-point perspective. Something is in 1-point perspective when the picture plane, which is this light purple plane, is parallel to the front face of the box, represented by the dark purple front face of the box. The yellow is the ground plane.